How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. I'm starting off this vlog on a Tuesday, or sorry, no, it's a Monday. I keep getting my days mixed up. In a Walmart parking lot. Why, you might be asking? Well, tomorrow is supposed to snow. Yeah, I've been dreading this all winter, but I guess it has to happen at least once a year. We're supposed to be getting anywhere between 2 to 4+ inches of snow, depending on how the storm hits or whatever, which I know for some of you northern guys, that is nothing. You know, that's a dusting for all of you all. I get that. But down here in the south in Tennessee, it's quite a bit of snow for us. So I'm going to go in and get some, my milk and bread. No, I'm just going in to get some food for lunches at work, for work and whatnot. But we might not go into work tomorrow depending on how it hits and whatnot. But of course, I'll bring you some snow action if it does. But we'll see how it goes. In actuality, we don't know what the weather's like in East Tennessee. If you all live in East Tennessee, you know the weather is so bipolar, it's not even funny. So it could get like 0.00001 inches of snow, or we get 10 inches of snow. So just in case, be prepared. I took out my recovery strap, 6,000 pounds, 6 or 8,000 pounds, I can't remember. My recovery hitch for my hitch. I mean, I've used this once and it works awesome. You can get them at Lowe's, Home Depot, where they're rated for like, I think 20,000 pounds with the sleeve in it. Awesome recovery hitch. I got my ice scraper for my windshield, my snow remover. Then I got my my puffy winter neon jacket. Guys, I highly recommend. I'm always about being prepared. Like in my toolbox, I've got oil, antifreeze, transmission fluid. Like you never know when you're gonna need that stuff, especially on your vehicle. Even on a newer vehicle, you never know. So I highly recommend being prepared. I got these in the cab, so there's easy access to get to for tomorrow. And this is always, I always carry an extra jacket in my truck, especially like a neon color for you to get outside during the winter time or even the summer, just to throw it on real quick if I'm out in the dark and I have to work on the truck on the side of the road. My truck, what's really cool, is got these little cubby holes in the back seat right here and right here. I got my my vacuum right here, and then I got a first aid kit underneath it. But this side, that cubby hole is usually for this, but right now I got it out just in case. But like I said, guys, always be prepared. You never know what might happen. I'm not saying you need to be overly prepared and paranoid, but you know, it's good to be prepared. So that's kind of the setup I've got going right now. So we'll see what happens this evening into the night and into tomorrow. It is Wednesday. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm heading to work, and you can see we totally got snow. JK, where I live, we didn't get crap. Down in Knoxville, we got about 1 to 2 inches yesterday, but it all kind of melted away. But yeah, so this will be kind of a vlog of the day in the life of Trucks and Water. So I just made it to work. I'm sitting in the parking garage right now. Got my little spot, which is in between these two columns. It's a good little spot. That way no one can really door ding me or anything like that. So yeah, let's get this day started. Just FYI, in this video, I'm probably not going to film anything of me doing anything on the job site, because it's not necessarily frowned upon. The company doesn't want me to do stuff like that. It's really weird. I'm not like D-Max Rhino, where I own my own company, I can do that. They just don't like filming stuff like that on the job site. So I have to respect their decision, their wishes. But I'll catch up with you in a little bit. So right now, I gotta try to call for my assistant super. I need to run to Home Depot and get some stuff for the job site. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna run over there and get some stuff. But yeah, basically what I do on the job site is I do pretty much anything and everything, whether that's trash cleanup or carpentry, or I even help out, you know, the air duct guys, electricians, plumbers, you know, wherever they need me to go and help do or whatnot, I do it. Well, I mean, it literally anything and everything. I climbed in like storm drains before, direct traffic, run equipment, bobcats, if you know what those are, fork trucks and stuff like that. hopefully soon maybe get my crane license. That'd be kind of cool. But anyways, you know, stuff like that. Pretty much on anything and everything. Now what my degree plays into, because many of you know I am in college, what my degree plays is I want to become a project manager, which the superintendent and project manager are kind of the same on the job site, but kind of not. The super deals with more of the stuff on the job site, whereas a project manager deals more of the clients, the paperwork, and stuff that kind of goes on not outside the job site, but not necessarily like on the job site, if that makes any sense. Like they do punch lists, budgeting, you know, what money's going where, you know, how the time frame of everything's doing. Are we behind schedule? Are we ahead of schedule? Are we on time? You know, stuff like that. So that's what I'm going for, is become a project manager. So right now I'm gonna head over to Home Depot and we'll go from there. What I got was, I needed some painting stuff I needed to buy, and I got some 6 tubes of clear caulk for some kind of project we're doing. I'm not sure. But we're back on the job site and catch up with you in a little bit. So right now I'm at Pop's Car Wash. I'm gonna get the truck sprayed off real quick because of all the salt and grime that's on the roads this week. So we had like a snow winter mix Monday and Tuesday, and all of a sudden they dump like a bajillion pounds of salt and grime on the roads. Like, I don't think it's snow like 4 feet, but you know, it really didn't. So I'm gonna get the truck washed off. And I know some people are gonna say, you live down south, not a big deal, you don't have to wash your truck. Well guys, salt and brine and all that stuff is designed to melt roads or ice off of roads and snow. So it's a chemical. Any chemicals on your paint is not good for your paint, period. That's why I advocate washing it off all the time. Just spraying it off will do you wonders, guys. But that's what we're gonna do right now. So let's get the truck cleaned off. Look at all that soap and foam. Oh, it's getting everything off of it. Oh, that looks so good. Truck is officially cleaned off, or sprayed off at least. As you can see, it looks 10 times better. Still loving this bullet antenna. You just gotta check every once in a while, make sure it's still good to go. But oh yeah, it looks 10 times better. I cannot wait to get the truck in the paint and body shop this spring. Get all the crown molding taken off, all the dents, the scratches taken out of the paint corrected. Get this massive one out. It's been bugging me for 3 years. But she's coming along in that window tint though. Ugh. But I want to thank you all so much for watching this vlog. I know it's kind of a short vlog, kind of jumpy, not as action-packed, but I want to appreciate all the support, guys. If you like more of these personal kind of daily vlog things, let me know. Like I said, my work schedule is absolutely crazy right now, but the moment I can do more daily stuff, I'll try my best to. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please comment them down below. All of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.